In this Why Plastic Parts Fail, we're going to take a look at a bearing made of PEEK HPV, a self-lubricated grade of PEEK. This bearing is experiencing significant melting on the ID. In this application, the frictional heat created was too great for the plastic bearing, exceeding the material's temperature capability. Failure due to frictional heat is often caused by too much pressure and/or too much velocity for the bearing material to withstand. However, it can also be the result of simply not enough clearance on the ID between the bearing and the turning shaft. Polymer bearings typically need more clearance than traditional metal bearings simply because of their higher coefficient of linear thermal expansion, or CLTE. For a PEEK HPV bearing like this with a 1-inch ID and a 1/4 inch wall thickness, a clearance of at least 7/1000ths of an inch is recommended. This bearing had a clearance of half that, resulting in a significant increase in heat at the ID. This caused the bearing to grow due to thermal expansion, shrinking the ID and closing its clearance to the shaft even further, resulting in a vicious cycle leading to failure. The result being the melting of the material and/or seizing of the shaft to the bearing. Besides selecting the right material for your application conditions, be sure to properly design your polymer bearing using sufficient clearance with the turning shaft. Please feel free to add your comments below, like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.